Our learning target for our lesson today is I can create a model that describes the function of a cell and functions of cell parts. Now, in order to create this model, we're going to build a little background and talk about parts of cells. Now, we recently got done talking about the hierarchy of life, and in the hierarchy of life, once we hit the cellular level, life is able to happen. And when it comes to cells, we want to focus on what happens during the interphase portion of the cell cycle. And this is when the cell is going through it's going about its daily business. And this is when it spends most of its time, just kind of living and doing whatever job that cell has been instructed to do by its DNA. We want to remember that there are different types of cells, and the DNA within the cells tells it what it needs to do, whether it's a blood cell or a skin cell or so on. Okay? Now, we know that cells spend a lot of their time replicating themselves, and this process of replication happens trillions of times every day. When cells die and are replaced with identical cells, one of the benefits of being multicellular is that this happens. So cells are able to reproduce as they die off. Now, when we think about cells in the hierarchy of life, we want to think about the question of what structure comes right before cells. Okay? And when it comes to cells, organelles come right before cells. And the combination of organelles makes cell life possible. Organelles are the different parts of the cell, the different structures within a cell that, when they work together, make the cell work. Okay? Now, some examples of these, if you think about our hierarchy of life project that we recently did, cells have things like the nucleus and ribosomes and mitochondria, just to name a few. So it might be a good idea to reflect on the learning that you've done in the past to think about these parts of the cell. Now, it's important to remember that each organelle plays an important role, and we're going to dig into these roles a little bit more to understand how the cell works. So we want to know what the job is of the different organelles and how they help the cell survive. To do this, we are going to be doing an assignment called Cell Organelles and Function. And this is, you can do it either digitally or hard copy. By the time that you're watching this screencast, hopefully you have chosen if you are working on it digitally or hard copy. And I have a screencast of the assignment linked in on this page as well. So if you need to, you can watch the screencast. Okay? Thank you for listening.